Hi everyone and welcome to Polar, the new name for our YouTube channel, and it is our business name. So the first video we're going to do under the new name is Salt and Straw's Honey Lavender. Totally the wrong time of year to do this, as it's now October and lavender is a springtime flower, but hey, shirt happens. For the lavender part, take your honey and water and bring it up to a nice boil, stir it occasionally, and then when it's really boiling, turn the heat off and add your lavender flowers. Let that steep for a minimum of 4 hours, ideally overnight. When it's ready, strain it through a cheesecloth and then keep it in the fridge. So this is Salt and Straw's standard ice cream base. Put your corn syrup and milk in a pan and slowly bring that up to a warm temperature, no boiling, no steaming, and then add in your sugar, which has got your xanthan gum mixed in it already, and your milk powder. Get it all nicely combined, take it off the heat, and then add in your cream. Put that in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Once everything's chilled in the fridge, take it out. I've strained the lavender mix again, but you don't have to. Put that mix into your ice cream base and finally add your purple food coloring if you choose to use it. Now, Salt and Straw say that you don't have to use it, but obviously it gives a lovely color. When it's ready, pop it in your machine to churn. This took 11.5 minutes in my machine, but it can take whatever it might take in whatever machine you use. When it comes up to consistency, take it out, put it in your tub and store it in the freezer. That tub. We were talking about the tub and, you know, the whole beehive thing. There's loads of funky beehives out there. So I'd love to have a beehive at some point. There's our top of our new tub, new logo. It's all good. Honey lavender, nice, easy one to make. I mean, this recipe is all over the internet. So if you don't want to follow this one, you can follow any of the others. They'll be identical. But we're just going to get some scooped straight out into the bowl and see what this tastes like. First things first, I'm not a massive fan of the whole floral tasting thing, but loads of people asked us to make this ice cream. I mean, even Salt and Straw say it's the most spit it out. It is their most divisive flavour. So it's, you know, it's a Marmite thing. You love it or you hate it. I mean, I can't even stand Parma violet, so let's just see how this goes, shall we? I mean, texture-wise, it's great. Salt and Straw, obviously, you know, they know what they're doing, they know what they're talking about as far as ice cream is concerned. Flavour-wise, it's not for me. It does just, you know, taste like when you're a young kid and you go to your grandparents' or great-grandparents' house and you go fishing around and you find something in the sock drawer that's been there for 25 years. This is what it smells like. It's, maybe that's just me. It's a bit too perfumey for me, but if you like these kind of flavours, these floral type of things, you know, the Parma violets, I mean, violet is actually a stronger flavour than lavender, but these are along the same lines. Texture-wise, it's great. It's really smooth. There's no ice in there whatsoever. The flavour is actually, you know, in comparison to the honey, I guess it's all quite balanced. The honey comes through after for me, but there's lots of different types of honey, some really strong ones. We had one that we made a honey-based ice cream with, but that was so strong, it overpowered any other flavour that you mix those ice creams with. So just use a honey that is medium flavour, otherwise you're going to get a bit out of balance. But all in all, it's a nice easy one to try. Maybe wait until lavender is in season, but other than that, go for it. It's a good one if you like plants. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.